In this short Photoshop tutorial, you'll learn how to create a simple, fully editable gradient text effect. It's fast, flexible, and ideal for polished titles or design projects. Let's get started. Create a new file. Choose a canvas from these presets and click on Create. Add a solid fill to the background. Make sure it's black. Grab the text tool and type. Confirm it and make it bigger. Create a copy of the text layer like so. Once the copy is created, turn it layer off and select the one below. Right-click and convert to Smart Object. This will allow us to edit the text whenever it's needed. Go to Filter, Blur Gallery, and click on Path Blur. Uncheck Centered Blur. Increase the taper and also the speed. Move the controller to set the angle of the blur depending on how you want it. Confirm the changes to apply the effect. Excellent! Now let's add the colors. Add a gradient map. Click on the gradient editor. Add the following color stops and change the colors and the location according. To apply a different gradient, create a copy of this layer. Turn off the previous one and change the colors like so. Wait, let me show you how to edit the text. Create a copy of the Smart layer. Right-click on the layer and delete the Smart filter. Change the blend mode to Soft Light. Now you can double-click on the Smart layer thumbnail to open it, or right-click on the layer and choose Edit Contents. From this document, select the text and change it to whatever you want. But make sure you scale it down to fit into the canvas, just like this one. Navigate to the top, click on File, and save it so that it updates the previous one. Close this document and return to the main one. That's how to create this awesome text effect. I hope you find this helpful, and if you did, like the video, subscribe and turn on the post notification, and I will see you in the next tutorial.